what you're looking at is basically on the right hand side is an RJ45 connector, and be it like it is a Cat 5e Ethernet cable, which has four twisted pairs or eight cables uh, that carry data like the internet, basically used for a local area network and uh, connecting uh, PCs, modems, routers, and whatnot. And this is an RJ11 cable connector, and this is used in like phone lines, and this is connected to your modem, so you could get your broadband connection. So this is for bringing the internet in, and this is for the local area network. So yeah,